Hello everyone, so I'm doing a live here today instead of the VIP group, just because I'm going to be talking about a few other things, and also because I want to warn everyone, well, not warn, actually that's not the right word, really I want to tell people how that new moon is coming up and how you need to be doing things. So maybe it is warn because we've got Mercury retrogrades coming up as well very soon, and you will need to stop doing things from the 15th. So yeah, so there's amazing stars for the moment, and I'm going to get into it right now. But yes, you want to take those stars very seriously, because after that we are going to be going into Mercury retrograde. And if that was not enough, in around the same time, I'm checking exactly to tell you in the same time, and in the same time we are going to get Jupiter going retrograde. And I don't really want any of you to do things that are important at that time. So simply because Jupiter is the planet of expansion, but when it's in retrograde, it's actually expansion within and not without. So this is why I'm doing that live here, just to make sure that if you've got anything that you want to be launching or signing contracts or doing anything that is important to you, do it now. Don't wait that we are going to be from the 15th of May, because it just won't be working the way that you want it to work. So normally the retrograde, the pure Mercury retrograde, will start on the 19th and then end up on the 22nd. But you know, it takes 3 or 4 days at least before where it's really starting to slow down. It can be a little bit more. So that's why I said mid-May. Don't push it more than mid-May, because otherwise it won't be working, or it will be working but very slow. And you also want to be pushing on things, because just in the same time as Mercury will be stopping and we will get out of Mercury, we will unfortunately have Jupiter that is going to be in retrograde for a few months. The stars will be 100% good with no retrogrades that are massive or important, I should say, only from October, right? So because in September we will also have obviously another Mercury retrograde. So this is why I really wanted to do that live for everyone, and not just in the VIP. Is just, if you want to do anything, if you want to sign any contract, if you want to make any deal with anyone, do it now. We've got a really nice week. I'm going to go through it as well while I'm at it, just to tell you exactly what's going on, but it is time to do things. So me, I'm really happy to be back, right? So now I'm back full time, and I'm really happy to be here. I've missed it. It's a little bit different when you do your purpose, because it's not like a job. So I'm extremely happy to be back. And of course, with the stars that we have today and tomorrow, I was obviously, which are magical. I'll explain why. I wanted to come out with something magical. So you've been a lot of people asking me to do a retreat, that you were missing my retreats. So I'm doing one, and I'm doing one in November on the 22nd to the 28th with absolutely amazing stars. So of course I looked for that, and we're going to go to Hamilton Island. There's already about 15 of you are interested. I just want to tell you that the numbers are limited, and simply because I've only rented that many flats. So make sure that if you are interested, come in, and there is a really awesome price with all the excursion and sailing onto the clear water, and a lot of goodies, a lot of things, even going to an art class with a painter. I mean, so many things, beautiful food, and so on. So you definitely want to be booking, because, and we'll have a lot of fun as well. But we also have amazing guest speakers. Obviously we're also going to work, so not only I will be teaching you all the tricks that I've learned when I was sick, because I've got guardian angels over me that have been helping me to multiply my finances every 4 months, and so much more. So I will obviously teach you all those things as well, but also you're going to have amazing guest speakers coming that are going to be talking about psychology, that are going to be talking about medicine, that are going to be talking about plants. It's going to be absolutely awesome in to regenerate and really being healthy. That's going to be really going deep down, but also in psychology, in roadblocks, in things that you need to be looking forwards to be able to move ahead, because that's what you need to be able to be successful in whatever you want to do into your life. So it's very important. So I've got someone specialized in that coming as well, and many other things that are going to be awesome. Of course, I will teach you how astrology works, your purposes, your elements of luck, and all that. So there's going to be an awesome program, and obviously also a lot of fun and a lot of other things that are going to be there. So why did I announce it today? It's simply because today, so when I say the dates in America, onto the other side of the world, for you it's Sunday the 2nd, for us it's Monday the 3rd, because of the differences with the stars. So we've got an amazing aspect, which is Venus sextile Neptune. One is in Taurus and the other one is in Pisces, which actually is their home. So very well aspected. By the way, it's multiplied. So have a first date, sign a contract, go to a spa or an art gallery. It's just going to be magical. So anything like that that is beautiful, and that's why I chose that day to talk about it, is simply, it creates magic. So it's really good. We also have another aspect as well, which is Mercury trine Pluto. So Mercury is in Taurus, trine Pluto Capricorn. So it's really good, because Mercury in Taurus makes you practical, and there also changes that are going to be important, but Pluto in Capricorn also helps those transformation long term. So amazing day for that as well. But that also means that anything else that you want to sign up, so not only you can go on a date tomorrow night if you want to, it's going to be magical, but also obviously to sign a contract or to work or to do anything like that, it's going to be very rational and very practical. So it's perfect to work. It really helps you to achieve a lot of things. So yes, I'm working tomorrow. I know that it's a day, it's Labor Day and people don't work. When the stars are like that, you prefer to actually be working and resting when Mercury will be retrograde. Because remember, from the 15th, Mercury is going to be retrograde. So it will be time to slow down and to do everything with RE, rest, reorganize, rejuvenate, reconnect, all those kind of things in RE will be the time to do that. But for the moment, we have awesome stars. We've got an amazing new moon as well coming onto the 11th, 12th. It's going to be a really good one. So it's time to work, and then things will slow down inevitably with Mercury retrograde and then Jupiter retrograde anyway. So let's make the most out of it. So on the 3rd and the 4th, we've got Mercury that is square Jupiter. So for us here in Australia, Wednesday the 4th, that is going to be a day where it will be important to think before you speak, because when it's square like that, Mercury, the planet of languages, but in Taurus, opposite or square, sorry, Jupiter in Aquarius, there's going to be a little bit of a clash there. They are opposites at the end of the day. So yes, definitely don't start good important conversation on that day. It won't work out, not in your favor, or it won't be what you want. Then we have the Sun that is also on the same day, that is Sun that is square Saturn in Taurus Aquarius. So you may also feel overwhelmed, almost thinking that you don't have enough time to be able to do everything that you want to do. So you might be feeling like that. So definitely be gentle on yourself around the 4th, Wednesday the 4th. And around the same time, we will have Mercury that enters Gemini. That, on the other hand, and it will really be kicking in by Thursday, that, on the other hand, is very important. Why? Because Mercury is the planet of thinking, and in Gemini, it's in its house. It's in his sign, sorry. So it's very important, because that means that in the next days coming up, the thinking is going to be much better. The ideas are going to be much better. To sign up contracts is going to be much better. To write down things, to be creative, to do with the medias and everything, except that day that I said on the 4th. All the rest of the time, it's going to be much easier to express the self. So very good if you are doing anything like that. So definitely, you can sign contracts, you can do all that. But again, remember, Mercury is coming in retrograde on the 15th. So from that point on, don't do anything important, and definitely don't sign a contract when we are in Mercury retrograde. It just will not bring you luck, and it probably will actually even worse, create problems into your life. So you definitely don't want to be doing that. Now let's go back to this week. So the 6 and 7 again are magical. So the 7 for us in Australia, because we've got Venus that is trine Pluto. So girls, it's going to be passionate. If you want to go on a date, that's the night to go out. Guys too, after all, it's going to be very passionate. Love is going to be really booming, because when those two are together, Venus trine Pluto, it makes it very hot. So have a good night that night. Now, for the rest, actually the rest of the week is fine. I'm going to jump so right up, and that will keep on going. So those nice effects will keep on going. And then we will arrive to Mother's Day. And Mother's Day, we do have Venus square Jupiter, but on that one, it's actually a positive one. We also have Venus that enters Gemini, so that also is nice. It will be lighter, love will be better. And the reason why I like it so much coming around Mother's Day is that we have Jupiter in Aquarius. So to have Venus there, which is also in an air sign, it actually goes really well together. So it's going to make things bubbly. So I know the day will be nice. It's going to be a beautiful day. Share it with your loved ones. There might be a little bit of excess, because that's what the square will do. So you might be drinking too much or eating too much. Be careful of the drinking, obviously. But sometimes, you know, a bit too much of things, not the drinking part, but all the rest, you know, having a really nice meal and things like that can be a very positive thing anyway. So yes, so enjoy that day, because it's going to be an awesome Mother's Day. Now, these kind of videos, obviously, I usually do them into my VIP, and you can join, there's no problems there. Just PM me. There's a little bit of a fee, unless you've had a reading with me, and then you're automatically into that group. But otherwise, yes, you can also access it. I talk day by days, week by week, month by month. I also do the prediction 1 month in advance, simply because everyone wants to be able to organize themselves. So I give the whole month saying those days are good and you should be doing this and that at those times. So it actually helps everyone. It helps. The group is called the VIP group, and it really helps people. So that's it. That's all for this week. If you want to join us at the retreat, let me know. It's going very fast. In one day, I already have 15 people interested. So it's going to be sold out very, very quickly. I've got people coming back for the 4th time or even 5th times, I think, in my retreats. So they're just addicted. They just keep on coming back. So they must enjoy it, and that's great. I'm really happy about that, to have those beautiful people, and we're going to have a lot of fun as well. After those years with the COVID, we need to have fun, we need to have good times, and the surrounding obviously is absolutely magical. So if you can come along, just come along. I've done some really nice prices for May for the early birds, and that's it. Have an awesome week, make it amazing. Just watch out for the 4th, but keep on working, keep on going, because as I was saying before, that new moon is absolutely amazing coming up, and we will have a new moon in Taurus, but with some amazing aspects. And then after that, obviously from the end of that week on the 15th, then we will have to slow down because of Mercury. So go for it now, it's definitely the time, and I shall see you very soon. Thank you. Bye everyone. Bye.